Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. Today, we'll explore the user interface in SAP B1 Web Client, focusing on how to navigate to the details page and work effectively within it. This builds on previous videos, so let's dive right in with a clear demonstration. We will use a sales quotations to demonstrate the details page user interface. This works for all the documents the same way. To get there, simply head to the Sales section by pressing Sales in the top tab navigation. Once scrolled down to Sales, select the Sales Quotations app by clicking directly on its tile. When the category page has been opened, we will now select one of the visible sales quotation by clicking on the right arrow next to the sales quotation. On the details page there we see the familiar top navigation bar from our previous videos. It remains consistent, providing quick access to key modules across the platform. This continuity ensures seamless transitions between different areas. We still see the back navigation with the left arrow at the top left side. The burger icon is also still visible to open the side menu with all your categories. On the right side, there also still appears the search bar, the notifications, and the personal settings. In the second row on the left side you see the document type, in our example the sales quotation and the document number 1217. You can navigate between the sales orders that matches your previous filtering. You can jump to the first record and the last record by using the double arrows and go one document up or down by using the single arrows. The now highlighted part is related to the document type. The edit button, for example, is only available as long the document hasn't been closed or cancelled. The details about these processes will be provided in another video series. If your screen is not wide enough to show all the options, you find the rest of the functionality from this document on these three dots. In this case there is the relationship map as well as the translated values. With this, you can create separate views specific to the selected quote or the products or items within the document. This allows for highly individual data presentations. Tailor your views to match unique needs effortlessly. Further along on the right, there is the share icon visible again. In this context you can preview the printed document, choose another preview layout than the default. This can be used for documents in other languages or printing different kinds of documents depending on the setup of the Business One system, as well as directly sending the document attached to an email in different formats and layouts. The next line shows some relevant information regarding the document and the business partner. In this case you see also directly the credit limit percentage, what is really helpful in lots of cases. If you need more space for the document's content, you can also hide the business partner details by clicking the up arrow in the center of the page. To make it visible again you can click arrow down. Below the business partner details you can see the document related menu. It contains always different values for each document type. If you click on this it scrolls directly to this section. We will get in detail on this in one of the flowing processes videos. You now understand the key elements of the details page user interface in SAP B1 Web Client, enabling efficient navigation and management of your documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The playlist contains more standard functions of the SAP B1 Web Client. Watch the previous videos for other basic setup. Please subscribe for additional helpful tutorials. Like this video if you found it useful, leave a comment with your questions, and share with colleagues who use SAP. Enjoy your experience.